Hi, my name is Catherine Rickfelder, and I will be your 7th grade regular math teacher, 7th grade advanced math teacher, or your geometry honors teacher. I've been teaching for 15 years, and I was in elementary school for 2 years and 13 years in middle school, so this is the beginning of my 16th year teaching. I am excited to be a trailblazer this year, so I look forward to meeting each of you either online or in our classroom. For the students that are in 7th grade regular and 7th grade advanced math, I just wanted to point out this calculator before the school year started. If you can either pick this up at Target or Walmart or order it online, it's usually about $10 and it is the best calculator for the curriculum that you're going to be working on. If you're in geometry honors, I'll go over the type of calculator that we'll use and more about your materials when we start classes. I've listed some other just basic supplies here that you will need for the school year if you are in class. If you're at home, you're going to use very similar supplies as well, in addition to doing your work on Canvas. So just a really quick, rundown of some things for the class. It says study kind of like Hermione. Complete your homework. You'll have homework each night. Study regularly, not just for tests. Watch the lessons online if you're absent, and participate in class. So I know this is going to be a unique school year, unlike any other, but the curriculum that we use is definitely very interactive, and you get so much out of it when you are working together with the curriculum. And working together is going to be a challenge this year, so we're going to have to be able to do it from a distance and then also electronically. So we'll be learning that together. And then it says, so this doesn't happen to you. Luke, your math test is today. No. So you can't just sit in class and expect the odds to be ever in your favor. For advanced math, this is in fact pre-algebra. So this is the first year your child has been truly completing advanced material. So we're covering half of the 7th grade math and all of the 8th grade content. Also, we're grading for accuracy, not completion. So the accuracy, not completion is across the board. That goes for regular 7th grade math, advanced, and for geometry honors. I do allow multiple retakes on the homework and the classwork because I want you to achieve mastery before you have your paper tests. Now, when I say paper tests, those actually might end up being on Canvas or online. So I just mean your summative end of each unit test. So you will have many opportunities to practice the skill before you actually take the final test. Again, you can expect nightly homework. It is math, so nightly practice is important. You are required to show work. A lot of the work that's on Canvas will either ask you to explain, which is what brings me to my next point. There's a lot of explaining this year, or it will ask you to upload a picture of your work. So you should always be doing work with your textbook, your workbook, and showing the work with each problem. Especially if we're working online, I'm gonna ask you to send me a picture of what you're working on so that I can help correct your work and help guide you from there. All the math teachers work together planning, comparing data, sharing ideas. We all go at the same pace, give or take a day or two. The pace is determined by the district. We have basically common assessments, even more so this year. We have the same weights for our grades and we use the same resources. So today, or at your earliest, I don't know if there's a time that you're able to, but probably within the first week of school, you want to make sure to sign on to your My Student account as a student, and parents, you want to create a My Student account for your children. So I do update it weekly, usually 2 to 3 times a week, but I don't use it as a planner. I will use Remind as a planner, not as a planner, but I will use Remind to send out specific information for you, and I will put that information out on the first day of school. If it says missing in the gradebook, it is in fact missing. I use the comments section frequently to explain why points were deducted or to communicate, and I also use the announcements and attachments. But I do use Remind quite a bit. So we may use Remind or the Band app. The Band app gives me a little bit more freedom to put some things in the calendar as well. So keep an eye out for that information in the first week of school. If you have any concerns, feel free to contact me. My email is listed below here. And this is just a cute little meme about no pressure, no diamonds. So we are all going to be having an amazing year this year. It's definitely going to be unique, and I look forward to helping each and every one of you succeed. Thank you so much. I look forward to seeing you soon.